Welcome back to Sean Sims Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Crucial System Scanner to quickly find the list of memory and hard drive upgrades for your computer. So let's get started. So on the Crucial.com website, go ahead and click on this button right here that says Start Your Free Scan, and go ahead and run that executable. And what this is going to do, it's going to scan your computer. It'll tell you what computer you have, and it will give you the list of upgrades available. So that's all done. It's detected my system. I'm currently using my laptop. And if we scroll down here, it will tell me how much memory is currently installed. And it tells me what my maximum memory is, which is going to be 32 gigs. And if I scroll down some more, it will give me a list of all the different memory options that I can use for this computer. And if I keep scrolling down here, it should give me a list for hard drive options as well. I'll just have to come over here to storage. And that is the same thing as well. And there you go. So that was today's quick video using the Crucial System Scanner.